So I'm gonna make Chinese fried rice, and these are the ingredients that I'm using to make it. So right now I'm about to put the rice on the boil. So I'm just getting ready for that. I measured out about 1.5 cups of rice, which is supposed to make about 4 cups of rice once it's cooked. Cool. Good to go. So while my rice is boiling, I'm going to go ahead and chop these into 1/2 inch sized cubes so I can get ready to fry them or sear them. My chicken is looking good and my rice looks just about done. I set my chicken aside. My rice is done. Now I'm going to throw in some green onion, and I forgot to include these in the beginning, but I have to add 1.5 cups of peas and carrots, of course. It's chicken fried rice, I have to. So I let this cook for about 2 minutes. Now I have some peeled garlic that I'm going to use my mincer with to put into the carrots and peas and green onion. Ugh, this thing is difficult. I also forgot to include the eggs in the beginning, but those of course are part of the recipe. I pushed the eggs to one side of the pan, and now it's time to scramble the eggs. Okay, so now that the eggs are scrambled, I can finally start mixing everything together. And I can add the chicken and the rice along with some soy sauce. Okay, so now I'm gonna drizzle it with soy sauce. And the next step is to add pepper and salt. And then I'm also gonna add some crushed red pepper because I like everything to be spicy. So this is how it turned out. This is it in the actual pan. But it turned out pretty good looking. We're going to see how it tastes after I put some sriracha on it.